How to integrate Intercom with Slack. So to start, what we need to do is to open our browser and then search for zapier.com. After that, simply log into your account. Once logged in, tap on this create option and then in here tap on this apps option. After that, you will now see this trigger option. What you need to do is to tap on this one and then after that search for Intercom and then we'll have to tap on this one. And then once we're done with that, we'll have to go on this action option and then in here we'll have to select Slack. Once you're done with that, we'll have to go on the right part of the screen and then in here we'll just have to follow through the instructions. First, we'll have to add an action event. So as an example, I'm gonna select this add reminder and then after that, tap on continue and then in here we'll have to type our sample reminder. And then once you're done with that, tap on this remind when. So as an example, I'm gonna type here every day. And then once you're done with that, tap on continue. And then the last step is we'll have to take the test. In here, we'll have to tap on this one. And then once you're done with the test, you will now see this option publish. All you need to do is to tap on this one to completely integrate Intercom with Slack. So that's how easy we can integrate Intercom with Slack. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.